Hi there, this is a series of videos comparing AutoCAD commands that may have similar outcomes. In this video, we're going to look at the difference between the copy command and just using the Ctrl+C keyboard shortcut and then Ctrl+v to paste, just like in any Windows program. We'll also be looking at the effects of mirror and offset and how those sort of make copies, but not quite. Let's take a look at our original figure. You can see I've made it asymmetrical, and that's so that we can really see it in action. And then you can see I've got some hatching that is directional, and you can see that this is what I consider my base point of this object if I had made it into a block. But you can see that it actually takes up an area that is not square. It's definitely off. It's tilted to one side. And so we'll see how that affects our ability to put it in a precise location. All right, so first thing, I'm going to select my object because I can do noun verb with the copy command. And I'm going to just enter the copy command. And I'm going to specify my base point with my snaps on. And then I'm going to be able to precisely place this any number of times within the same command. It's waiting for me to say, where do I want it now? And you can see the pink rubber band. So now let's try that same thing again. I'm going to copy my original figure, but this time I'm going to use Ctrl+C. And now there's nothing. It says copy clip. There were 4 things that were found within this. So now I'm going to Ctrl+V. And when I try to paste it on the node, it's actually at that bottom left corner geographically. It's not the bottom left corner of the object. It's the bottom left corner of the extents of the object. So that's very important. So Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V is great if you don't care exactly where things need to line up. The copy command itself helps you when you need to place the copy precisely. All right, so let's go ahead and copy this. Here's my base point. I'm going to move it over to this spot marked mirror and hit escape, because now I want to mirror this so you can see. I'm going to turn on my grid snap so that it sort of sticks to various places, and you'll see why I'm going to do that. So I can come up here and click mirror, or I can start typing the word mirror, and now it says specify the first point of the mirror line. So I'm going to come over here, choose that, and then I'm going to come over here and there's no object, I'm just using the grid itself. And now I've gone ahead and mirrored it. And it says, do I want to erase the source object? It defaults to no, so I hit enter, and the mirror command is finished. I've mirrored my little, sort of looks like a sock, and now I've got 2 feet. Great. So now let's use offset. Now this is going to be interesting. The reason this is going to be interesting is because I've got hatching. I have no idea what is going to happen to this hatching when I offset it. It may not even let me offset it. Again, I can use noun verb. So I'm going to select everything, invoke my offset command. What's my offset distance? I'll say 5. That's fine. Hit enter. And now it says, aha, I can't use noun verb. I have to use verb noun. So here it says cannot offset that object. With that one I can. And I want to offset to the outside. If I wanted to offset to the inside, it tells me you can't because it's less than 5 units wide. So I have to offset to the outside, and there now I have my stocking waiting for Santa. So you can see that's the difference between copy, mirror, and offset, and also the difference between copy and just using the keyboard commands Ctrl+C and Ctrl+v.